How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about the best cardio workout at home for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the best cardio workout at home. I have numerous different cardio exercises that will help out beginners at home for their cardio workouts. The best, in my opinion, are number one, jumping rope. Jumping rope is probably the best cardio exercise you can do because it works your whole body as well. You are also jumping the whole time, you guys. Jumping makes the movement explosive, which makes it harder. Even though you're not jumping very high, that little jump when you are jumping rope makes the movement that much harder. The good news is the harder the cardio exercise means more fat loss. So make sure you are jumping rope. I will put a link in the description box so you guys can purchase a jump rope if you don't own one. Trust me, it's a great tool to have for doing cardio at home for beginners. Tip 2 is burpees. Burpees are a full body movement. You go into a squat position to a plank position, then jumping back up again. It will burn you a tremendous amount of calories in a very short period of time. If you don't want to spend your time on the treadmill, walking endless amount of time to not burn very many calories, then give burpees a shot. They're much more intense and burn more calories. Tip 3 is jumping jacks, you guys. Jumping jacks, a fan favorite on my channel, and my clients, they love them. Why do so many people love jumping jacks? It's because they are very intense. They incorporate jumping and they are a full body movement. Plus, you don't need any equipment to do them at all. You can also do quite a few jumping jacks before you get super tired. What I like to do is I'll do interval training for my jumping jacks. I will generally do jumping jacks for 1 minute, followed by a 10-second rest, and then keep doing this until I can't do any more. Do this for an hour or so and you will be burning a ton of calories. Trust me on this, you guys. Another thing too is not only are you jumping, but you're using your legs and your arms. So it's a full body movement. It's one of the best exercises that you can do. And it's also a staple in military training. You go to the military, you're going to be doing thousands and thousands of jumping jacks. Trust me on this, you guys. Military training, jumping jacks, fan favorite for them too. Tip 4, do stairs. Run or walk up and down your stairs over and over and over again. This is the same thing as doing the Stairmaster at the gym. Stairs are a lot more intense than just doing normal walking on the treadmill. It's a lot more intense because you're going at an angle and you're using more of your body. I also recommend going out to local parks or hills that have giant stairs that you can walk up and down them. A lot of the areas in the cities and town have areas designed just for doing stairs, you guys. It's a much funner way of doing them, plus it allows you to get outside in the fresh air and socialize with some people as well. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.